Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Love Kisses 99 and I'm coming to you today with a review on this hair right here from jchairfactory.com. I've had this hair for quite a while, but I wanted to put the hair through just a few paces. It's a company that's new to me that I hadn't really heard much about. So I said, you know what, before I come through and rave about this hair, let me try it, see how it worked out for me and see how I feel about it. Now what I have in is a 16-inch frontal and then 3 bundles in 18, 20 and 22 inches. Now I like working with the frontal because number one, it kind of cuts down on my sewing time, and number two, it's a little easier to finesse around the front. And like I said, I had this hair for a minute, and after I made my wig, I decided to wash it. I used my normal Draco K-Pack shampoo and conditioner, and I washed it once, and then I kind of just let it air dry. And then the second time I washed it with a less expensive shampoo from the grocery store, and it gave me the same results. I didn't have any issue with it. Now the hair is a medium luster, so you don't get that shiny baby doll hair look with it. And also it is Brazilian hair, so if you want to lighten it, you want to darken it, you can do whatever processes you want to lift the hair and make it lighter or even make it a little bit darker. That's really your choice. But yeah, this hair again from JC Hair Factory really gave me no issue. And this time when I washed it, I just washed it and I let it air dry. I just kind of put it on my little mannequin head and put the fan on it, old school, and just let it dry, and it gave me no issues. Now I'm going to get up close and show you the frontal, because the frontal looks like it's already been pre-tweezed. Now I am going to go back and tweeze it a little more. I didn't even sculpt any baby hair or anything. I am going to tweeze it a little more around the front just to give it a more natural look for when I pull my hair back and wear it back. Nothing complicated, nothing you can't work with. It really is really pretty hair. And I did use all 3 of my bundles along with the frontal. Now I like working with the frontal because it does cut down on my sewing time. I'm not sure if I said that already. And it's just easier and quicker for me to use a frontal than it is to use a closure. So yeah, this is hair from JC Hair Factory. Very pretty, wavy, and I did leave it a little more wavy in the back, which you can see that back here. I kind of just brushed through the front just to kind of relax the wave a little bit, but it is full pretty hair. When I washed it, the times that I washed it, I didn't get any shedding, I didn't get any tangling, I didn't get any matting, which if you're going to take the time to purchase hair, sew it on, weave it in, make a wig out of it, you don't want to have to deal with any of those issues as far as it kind of clumping up in the back and looking crazy. And luckily I have not had that issue, and I use what I normally use, which is my dome cap, and I sew my frontal on first, and then I just go side to side with my bundles, and then I'm done with it. Now this hair again is from JC Hair Factory. Had it a minute, but I wanted to kind of give it a try. I kind of do my videos a little bit different sometimes. I don't want to come to you with a wig that I haven't at least washed, or because you just never know how hair is going to behave straight out the package. It's always bomb, it's always great, you don't have a problem. It's when you wash it that first time you notice a change in the hair, and luckily no changes were present with this hair. And yeah, it really is full, it's pretty. It reminds me of African American hair that's newly relaxed, so that's kind of the feel I get from it. And it really is just pretty hair. So I'm going to keep wearing it. I'm sure you've probably seen it in a couple of not videos, in a couple of pictures on either Facebook or Instagram, or even on Twitter, because I'm old school, I'm still on Twitter, and I'll put all my handles down in the information area. But anyway, this is the hair from JC Hair Factory. Definitely check it out. All pertinent links and information will be right down in the information area. I have a question for you guys. One of my subscribers sent me a little note. She said, Robin, I always hear you say, hi my YouTube family, which is what I've been saying for years. And she said she was thinking that maybe my family on social media may have needed a name. I never really thought about it. and she said, how about calling us your Lovebugs? So, you know, that's a pretty cute name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys decide. If you like that name, let me know right down in the comments area. And that's how I'll greet you guys from now on. I can't even express how grateful I am that all of you still even follow me here on YouTube. The algorithm has my YouTube not even coming up in the search sometimes, and even if you have that bell activated to let you know when I upload videos, a lot of people aren't even getting those notifications. So if you haven't yet done so, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that I'll at least know you guys see me out here. People ask me all the time, Robin, are you still on YouTube? I'm like, yeah, I am. And they're like, my notifications aren't coming up. So definitely do that for me. I would greatly appreciate it. Please feel free to always leave a comment, and I can take constructive criticism, so that's really not an issue for me. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of go through those little pointers. So that's pretty much it for now. Don't forget to check the information area for all pertinent links and information, including a direct link to this hair and JC Hair Factory direct website.